Good morning and welcome back to Danielle's Decor. Today I wanted to tell you guys what I found when I was out shopping the other day. Oh, I was so tickled. I went to Trees and Trends, and I know that Trees and Trends isn't like nationwide, it's only in certain areas. So some of the things that I get from there I try not to haul because it's hard for everybody to be able to find it. Anyway, when I was wandering around, they set up little displays and little things inside the store, and they had a basket that was full of these little signs, and they were really cute, and I got looking and they had them hanging off the basket. My goodness, you guys, how in the world did I miss this? Did I not think of this? Have I never seen this before? These little things were just adorable. Check this out. It's just a little piece of wood. Oops, it's flipping. It says harvest on it, and it's got some little twine ran through it. They took these little things and tied this to one end of the one handle of the basket, this to the other handle of the basket, and it hung on the front of the basket. How cute. It was $3, so $3. I went ahead and bought it and thought, I can make all kinds of these little things. So I come home yesterday and got playing. Let me show you what I made. These little things. Oh, I have a bunch of scrap pieces of wood that I have left over from other projects. So I went ahead and I made some little ones. Check that out. It says Snowball Fight. Now on this one, I did use my Cricut, which I've only had it a couple weeks and I'm still kind of playing with it. But I know at Christmas time, I have a little basket that I fill with the indoor snowballs that you throw around. So I thought this would be super, super cute hanging off the front of that basket. But because this one's smaller, I just did the thing in the top instead of on both ends. But cute little idea. I also made another one like this. This says, I love tinsel. My mother has a tinsel fetish. She puts tinsel on everything at Christmas time. So this one is for her. But this one I just tied the strings in a bow so they wouldn't get tangled up until I could get it up there to her. But I did have one here that I made. I haven't put anything on it yet. So, and this one's a little bit bigger. And it's just a scrap piece of pallet wood that I painted and I sanded down and then drilled 2 holes and ran that through. I will say I found that it is a lot easier if you take your twine and you kind of ball it up and use one of these little teeny tiny screwdrivers to push your twine through. It makes it so much easier to feed that through. But I know a lot of you guys don't have, not everybody has a Cricut. So something like this, if you did it in the chalkboard paint, you could use chalk. You can make signs for all your little baskets. Oh my goodness, I was just so happy with this sweet, I can't even talk. I was very happy finding this. It was just a simple idea. Oh my goodness, loved it, loved it. And I know everybody's been picking up these little things right here from the Dollar Tree. These little metal signs. I could talk right today. I'm having issues. These little metal signs. So this one I did in the orange, and it's got the little things on there. And I did use super glue on this one, just regular old crazy glue, because hot glue just will not stick to wood for some reason, and it just keeps falling back off. But I did put crazy glue on it, and it's holding it on pretty well. So tickled with how this turned out. But I have a couple that I still, well, where did it go? I have another little orange one that I don't have any letters on, and I have another little black one. But for those of you, like I said, that don't have the Cricuts, oh my goodness, my hair, I'm so sorry. My hair's going crazy. That don't have Cricuts and that don't want to have to paint something on, like I said, you could do chalkboard paint and just use your chalk marker. In things like this, a Sharpie and a stencil. You can lay it out with a little black Sharpie across the front, write whatever you wanted. Stickers, I don't know how well stickers would stay on there. Some of them might stay pretty well, but you do all kinds of things with it. I just thought it was a super cute idea, and I loved how it looked on my basket when I brought it home. And I will insert some pictures here of the 2 baskets that I have in the living room so you guys can see how cute, cute, cute these little signs are. So I just wanted to share that with you. I was super excited when I seen it and thought this is so simple, and it adds a little something extra to your decor. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bye guys.